If you're experiencing a verification pending status on OKX, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your OKX account for any messages regarding your verification status. Sometimes additional information or documents may be requested. Step 2. Review submitted documents. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Resubmit documents. If your documents were not accepted, prepare to resubmit them. Make sure they are clear, legible, and meet the specified guidelines provided by OKX. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the status remains pending after resubmission, reach out to OKX customer support. Provide them with your account details and a description of the issue for quick assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, wait for their response. Verification can take time, so be patient and monitor your email for updates regarding your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on OKX efficiently. If problems persist, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.